So yun mga kababayan, at nandito na tayo sa McDo sa may UN. James! Abang tayo kay Ormisco mga kababayan ko, dahil kakatapos lang ng ating flag raising ceremony. At yun, kasama na natin yung Smart dito mga kababayan sa may McDonald, UN Avenue. Mga MTPB natin nandito na sila sa gilid-gilid. Hello. Good morning. Itong gwapong-gwapong vlogger ni Sir Jay. Oh, ayun na ha. Na-focus na kita. Pitek ni KTV. Oh, 'di ba? Piti. Hi. Hello. Nandito na po si Yorme mga kababayan. Ang ating Yorme School.
Hi guys, good morning.
Morning.
I don't know if you saw it already. Thank you.
Ariel. Ariel mo na. Again, good morning. One, I think by this time, you know it already. You see your eye? Ayos. Kumusta ka ba?
So anyway, by this time you know it already that there is a program made and introduced by the President
under the LGSF fund, local government support fund. And we were directed by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to give rice assistance to Manileños. But I opted to give it to based on directive ni Presidente. Yung mga taxpayer naman, bigyan natin ng mga katrabaho, maibsan yung nilang gastusin. Kaya I'm happy your organization, McDonald, when we called them and asked them how many McDonald crew all over Manila. And in a matter of few minutes, we were given numbers. So that's why we included you in the plan. And today, mararamdaman na tulong ng pamahalaan nasyonal at lokal. This is not gonna happen today alone. It's going to happen in the rest 6 months. Yes. Every other month, darating ito sa workplace mo. Kaya magdala, kita ninyo dito kami pumunta. At ito ay gagawin, sa matter of ceremonial, but ito ay gagawin kung saan yung workplace para hindi naman disturbo ang negosyo, hindi naman disturbo ang trabaho. Yung assist, sabi nga, di ba, pagka gusto mabigay maraming, exactly. That's the point of your city government. And we're happy that the other day, 16,000 on the first day. This is an 80,000 individuals and family. Ports, lives in Manila, and sectors. Pati yung mga tricycle natin, saka jeep, tatama sila ulit. Tatamaan ulit sila. So, this is our one way of cushioning. Kung maramdaman, umamang lang. Gusto ko sila lumating ito. Kaya ang natulungan nito, would you imagine, mga magsasama ko nito. Because one of the directive is to acquire rice from our farm. Kaya, pag tinanong yung ecosystem, yung buong ecosystem, umikot talaga yung. So I'm happy with the Vice Mayor here, Vice Mayor G. Tessa. To see that things are being implemented accordingly and suave, very smooth. So muli sa inyo lahat, kalingan ninyo. Kasi naman ako, ang dami ko senior dito. Ang dami mo namang hinamak. Nakakatuwa naman, nakakakaluman yung makdo. Kasi I'm happy kasi yung mga lolo-lola ko. Lalo na, hindi mo naman tumulan, matitigas pa, mukhang pangkalawit ako muna. Nakulit pa ito ng chips. But I'm happy really for them. I'm happy and proud to our partners, the private sectors, fulfilling the dreams and aspirations of your city government, to give opportunity and to bring back to the society yung ating mga seniors. Be more productive again, kahit paano, at their age, may pumapasok ulit na salapi sa loob ng bahay. And ako na may tiwala sa kanila na kaya nilang magpangan yung tungkulin na binigay sa kanila. For now, this is the program, biyayang bigas para sa at kung kayo mag-alala, mag-iisip kung taga-saan mo kayo. Ang importante sa akin, yung negosyo, gumaang. Yung existence nila sa crisis nito sa loob ng Manila. Yung empleyado, gumaang. Ang katakayuan. Mahirap ang buhay. Maibsan lang or in economics, I call it cushioning the socio-economic impact of this crisis sa buhay. Yun yung approach. And kami nila Jay, at the Vice Mayor, may gagawin ulit naman na karagdagang programa. Patungkol pa rin sa crisis nito. But for now, This is for our working class in the city of Manila. And we're very proud of you because of what you're doing to the companies that you serve. Give them growth. So kung kayo yung nagsisipag, magiging efficient, lalago ang negosyo. Pag lago ng negosyo, mas maraming negosyo mapupuksa. At doon, papasok yung pangunahing polisiya ng lungsod. MBN, minimum basic need. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs. And for us to create jobs and opportunity for the people of Manila, kailangan ng negosyo mag-survive sa crisis. If there is growth, thank you. But the very minimum, survive. Because, after the rain, there is a rainbow. Ang pagangat naman ng negosyo ay malaking oportunidad para sa mamamayang sinasakit natin. At yung mga taong dumadako sa lungsod. Pag may trabaho, alam mo, to sum it all, mas anak ang isa. Mas tahimik. Alam yan ang mga matatanda dito. They've been there. Been there, done that, sabi nga nila. So muli, magandang umaga sa inyo. Pwede ba ako mag-take out? Nabili sila eh. Gusto mo ako yun. Ako take out na muna. So, nabili na? Okay, take out na. Bilis-kilos talaga ang mga tao gobyerno sa Maynila. Sinasabi ko pa lang, nabili na tayo. Galaw-galaw. So, mag-ingat kayo. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Ang mga lolo pala, kayo. Take two, ha? May ngayon. Sobrang init na panahon. Mag-ingat kayo. And I'm really proud na may hanap buhay kayo. So, magandang umaga at palaging nawa kayo. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Mayor Discussion ng Syudad ng Maynila for this Rise 8 program po. Ano po namin na sa taas ng bilihin ngayon, maraming mamamayan ang pwede po nitong matulungan. Ayan, thank you so much po. And ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to invite everyone to please be seated na po. And we are about to begin.
Simula pa lang pala. Picture na yun. Picture na yun. Mga taga-makdo daw na branch managers. Tawag ka. Tawag ka.
With that, our McDonald's U and Pilar family is especially excited as we honored to be the first to receive the Manila Rise 8 program. Biyayang bigas sa Maynila, which is the part of Manila City Social Relief Measures in partnership with the Office of the President. All beneficiaries of Manila City will receive 10 kilograms of rice meal per month starting April until September 2026.
Mang Rudy, kaya-kaya pa. Para kasi doon pa. Kumubuhat-buhat na pa. Kaya-kaya.
Okay, kaya palakpakan naman natin ang City Government of Manila at sa mga service crew na nandito po ngayong araw.
Talikod lang kami mo. Sa likod ni sir.
Mga artista tayo ng mga
One here, please. Thank you.
lagi na sila tumatawa. Guys, I'm doing this every time. Meron lang sa portion na kalong sila. Kasi 6 months sila.
Sasabat ng
11 months na dalawang sana. Meron na. Hindi mo natira. Kasi mapapagalitan sa puso.
Tira na.
Natali ka na naman.
Meron naman kami lamar ko.
MBT yan.
Ano ka?
And muli, maraming salamat po Mayor Isko and Vice Mayor Chi.
Change setup.
Alam mo, we also want to thank someone who is not here but have definitely played a big role in helping RMHC. Open for Ronald McDonald's Bahay Bulilit